Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price has risen from 1.06736 for several days, where the price has reached then a resistance level at 1.07825, and it has dropped a little bit back down and then returned back up on a, we can see that here on a Thursday. The price has touched this resistance level, and on a Friday returned slightly back down. On the weekly time frame, this is a continuation of this bullish trend for several 3 weeks. This was the fourth one, but it was a small one candle where we can see that the price could not make a strong bullish breakout above this area 1.07825. On the weekly time frame, we can see that after the price has formed this bearish breakout to the low side in the previous month, this month is currently a bullish one, and it is just the middle of the month, and this could be potentially just a confirmation of the previous support now acting as a resistance after this bearish breakout has happened. If the price doesn't return back up above 1.07825 this month, this will be just confirmation of this bearish breakout, which will be a valid one. Now, if the price returns back up and closes back above 1.0725, this will be a failed bearish breakout, which will be indication that the price will move in the opposite direction, where the next target will be 1.09860. So everything is depending on the monthly time frame around this area. We can see that on the weekly is also depends around this resistance level. If the price makes a breakout to the upper side, we can see where the next level is, where the price could stop, and that is here 1.087 before trying to make a breakout to the upper side, even more reaching 1.09860. Now this is very important of this level, and we need to see what happens also on the daily time frame. And we can see that the price has just stopped at this price level, where the price cannot make a breakout for several days. We can see the price tried here, then here, then here, then on a Thursday, and then on a Friday, but the price could not make a breakout. So this is a very important here a level that needs to define where the price will move in the next week. So for now, what I can see here, this is a bullish engulfing candle formed here on a Thursday, trying to make a breakout to the upper side, but the price could not succeed to make that happen. So this will be a very important and needs to be broken in order to see the price moving even more higher. Now, if the breakout happens, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders, but currently what I can see, it is a pretty indecision on the market what could happen. Because if we take a look here on the weekly, it is small bullish candle, like indecision candle, and on the monthly time frame, it is just return to the resistance level 1.07825. So we need to see what happens next week. Will the price make a breakout? If it happens, breakout, the next target where the price could move, it will be this one here. This is the first level where the price will stop 1.083, then retrace back down, and then return back up. This is what is expected, but if the price goes down, and that means if the price goes below this price level, which means 1.074, this will be indication that the price will return to the first support level, and which is 1.06736. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.